you want to know how to make this delicious, super easy Mexican chicken and cheese rice dish that your whole family will love, then keep watching. This is all you need. Literally 1, 2, 3, 5 things right here. Rice, chicken breast, or whatever kind of chicken you like to use. Tomato chicken bouillon, or however you say it. 1 fajita packet, whatever kind of cheese dip you like. This is the best one that I found at our Walmart, if you're like local to where I live. So I'm gonna also tag the girl, Jordan, that I saw make this, and she just inspired me to do it, and everybody loved it last time I made it. Super easy, we'll make it again. All right, once your chicken is cut up, you just throw it in the pan. I put a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter in the pan. You can use real butter or olive oil, whatever you want to use. This is just what I'm using. Cut your chicken up and just cook it till obviously there's no pink left in there. My chicken is cooking. I'm gonna start the rice. Ignore my kitchen. I ain't got time for that. For my family, I'm gonna do the 6 servings. So I'm gonna do 3 cups of water, 3 cups of rice, and you just put it all in there at once. Bring it to a boil, and then cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes, and it's ready. So I've got my chicken going, and now I've got my 3 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add in 2 or 3 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon. I think Jordan, the girl I watched, said to do teaspoons, but she did tablespoons, so I'm gonna do tablespoons. And this stuff really does taste really good, so like, it's fine. Measure with your heart. All these dishes are clean, I just gotta put them up. Ignore that. My rice is boiling, so I'm gonna take the heat off of it now and cover it for 5 minutes. It's the easiest rice ever, and it's delicious. All right, now that I think my chicken's done, listen, it was raining today, so I look terrible in my headset. Now that I know my chicken's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the fajita packet right on top of the chicken. I didn't want to put this on right when I put the chicken on because I need to see that it's not pink. I don't know, I'm just picky about my chicken. So I'm just gonna dump that on there. Like that. I am gonna add in just a little splash of water just to help this fajita seasoning really cover the chicken really good. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and microwave the cheese. Okay. Alright, I've got my chicken and rice in here. Now I'm just gonna pour on the cheese dip. We like to eat ours on the low carb tortillas like tacos, or it's delicious just plain without anything else. Let me know if you try it.